na may bago ng pangalan yung tatlong stars mo.
Ano?
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
That's so mean. It's the Bermuda Triangle.
This is the Luzon.
Yeah.
Because this is the eye of the triangle. This is the Visayas. The Visayas is on the cheekbone. This is the cheekbone.
Because the Visayan people, they give smiles.
Smiles
Yeah,
too.
that's
Oh, it's so good.
The people
And this is the Mindanao because this is
so far away.
yeah,
Yeah.
so far away. And the star there is very wow.
Wow. It's spooky.
Okay, say hi guys.
Grabe, nakapalit na si Kirsten.
Ay, grabe pang hotel na yung outfit niya. Hi!
Ha?
Excuse me.
Oo, naligo na ako. Nakabago ko. Hindi ako nalago.
Ay, kasama ko si ano. Isa to sa apostles. Pero wala ka sa apostol na yan. Oh, look at that. Hey, say hi to the camera. Ellie. Say hi, guys. Girls.
Ano yung song mo? Pagka...
Hindi no.
Hindi, awa the week.
Sige, sa
Bakit ko ano? Atake ka dyan. Ikaw, ano yung song mo?
Ay,
Baby, this time.
oh my God!
Hindi sila kita.
Dito! Sobra.
Alam mo, feeling ko may ganyan siya mga matatong.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Feeling? Grabe, iwan mo na naman kaming mag-ina.
Hi, vlog. First time to
It's
vlog.
bye vlog. Kita ba kami? Okay, bye-bye.
Just a little bit.
Sige na. God bless you.
Hello guys, we're off to get passports. Nasaan tayo? Dito kami sa Max's. Kami ay magpapalmusal. Bakit? Dito kami sa Max. Marahil sa kami. Pumunta kami na San Fernando. Magpapapassport. Okay na? Say goodbye. Say, see you later vlog. See you later vlog.
It's a fail. Hi guys, this is us. Few hours before
The
the
release.
release of the results. How
Do
do you
we
feel?
look nervous? No. We aren't.
Okay, how do you feel?
Hindi ko na kasi iniisip. Parang out of my mind. Darating na lang yun. Paglabas nun, doon na. Doon na, dig. Pero ngayon, parang,
Pero now, thank you Lord, di ba?
yeah.
Thank you Lord.
we're confident we're gonna pass. It is given to us. Papasa kami, guys. Right?
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Yes.
Hi guys, so we are at home and we're still waiting for the results, and CD right here.
Hello. Ano? Dugul-dugul. Ano yan? Doki-doki. Doki-doki heart.
Gusto niya maglakad-lakad kasi kinakabahan siya.
Kasi pag naglalakad ka, parang nag-lesson yung kabahan. Kasi pag nakaupo ka lang nag-aantay.
Hindi, sana pumunta tayo ng mall pala kanina.
Okay lang yun dito kasi at least, dyan eh, result. Takbo sa bahay. Tapos titingnan natin, pag nasa mall tayo, kailangan natin makahanap ng upuan.
Kung sabi sa inyo, pwede sa Star Magic to eh. And we are going out.
We're going to celebrate our registered nurse. Registered nurse is the second day of pagiging registered nurse.
We're going out to eat steak from Gilberto's. Wala akong makeup eh.
Yung makeup. Okay, so kamusta ang feeling na dalawang araw ka ng registered nurse?
To be honest, parang alam ko lang na it's there, pero hindi ko pa siya like ma-feel na what? I'm professional and licensed.
Oh yeah. True. Maybe it'll sink in after a few months.
It will once may work na tayo.
Or once na naghanap ka na ng work.
No, I feel like pag may work na tayo. Parang imagine, kunyari, like for example, kanina sa Starbucks, umu-order ako, tapos iisipin ba nito na lisensyado ako? Diba?
Of course.
No.
So pwede pa rin bang mag-student ID pag bumabiyahe?
Yung face ko, ano naman?
Sa bus at sa jeep? Yes.
No!
No? That's not good.
Baka bawiin sa'yo yung lisensya na ID na binigay sa'yo.
Alright, that's not good. Always be honest.
Yeah.
Magkano lang naman masasay?
Having tuna kilawin.
It's one of the best kilawin I've ever tasted. So good.
Okay. Show me the
Sarap.
Ano eat
Suka
niya?
pa lang ulam.
Okay, eat it.
Suka test.
Sumates. No, have a bite. Ew.
Sarap.
We have onions, green sile, ayun pa na.
What's the perfect bite? Is that the perfect bite? Out of 10. So good, right? Congratulations!
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you.
Hindi, ikaw muna.
Ayan. Ayan.
Mga idol.
Mga idol, good morning, good morning.
Specialty
may
po ni
bagoong,
Mama Mikere.
may kare-kare.
Tumata po natin.
Titikman po natin ang kare-kare na luto ng Mama ni Kirsten.
Wait lang, hindi pa ako. Sige na nga, mauna ka.
Hindi mo karne.
Meron.
Hindi pa ako makaabot sa dila.
Tikman na natin.
Ito lang uya. Ay, wala nang kanin.
Hintayin natin.
Wow.
Huh? Feeling naman ito.
Kami.
Parang sasarap.
Ako meron na kaya. Sarap.
Sarap, grabe. Alam na natin.
Approve by.
Carnation.
Carnation. Look.
Paano yung picture?
I state your name. Hereby solemnly swear. That I will support and defend of the Republic of the Philippines. And that I impose legally authorized nurse practitioner. So help me God.